Uh-oh. What's going on the road? Uh-oh.
Step into a world of awe as we showcase the planet's most extreme forestry feats. From fearless masters of steep slopes to relentless swamp warriors, these machines defy gravity, logic, and the impossible. This is Beyond the Limits, where the extraordinary comes to life. What do you think about cutting down a massive tree right on the edge of a steep cliff? It's terrifying, isn't it? Anything could go wrong, and one careless move could send you plunging down. But look at this man. He stays calm, conquering the tree effortlessly, as if it's nothing. Truly admirable.
She's going. What's going on the road? Uh-oh.
Wow, that ladder almost fell on him. Next time, make sure to stay clear of the tree when it falls. You never know what it might bring down with it. Wow, look at the size of that tree. This logger makes it seem effortless, but trust me, bringing down a tree this massive is no easy feat. One small mistake and it could be game over. Yet this expert remains calm, relying on skill and experience to conquer such an enormous challenge. Take a look at those logs. They've been through an epic journey, and now they're ready for their grand debut at the log yard. And that crane? It's pure poetry in motion. Handling those colossal logs with such grace, you'd think they were weightless. This tireless workhorse is the heartbeat of the lumber yard, keeping everything running seamlessly, day in and day out. These tree climbers are truly extraordinary. Can you even imagine the level of skill and courage it takes to scale dizzying heights and bring down massive old trees? It's an incredibly dangerous job. Drop a 1 in the comments below to give them a big round of applause for their dedication and relentless hard work. Feast your eyes on this breathtaking footage of the Komatsu 895 in action. This exceptional woodcutting machine boasts a powerful 4.0 horsepower engine, capable of processing up to 2.5 tons of timber per hour. Optimized for peak performance and minimal environmental impact, watch as it glides effortlessly through thick snowdrifts. You can plan for that scenario, but you can never predict what will actually happen. Thankfully, he managed to run in time and wasn't injured. Next time, be more careful. You know what's amazing? This wood chipper, the Elu Viber 84. It can process massive logs over 4 feet wide with ease. Equipped with advanced rotors carrying 10 or 20 knives, it chips wood at lightning speed. And here's the kicker, there's even a special rotor designed for the toughest jobs. Versatile, powerful, and efficient, the Viber 84 truly stands in a league of its own. Well, he's gonna need more than just a roof repair. Next time, call a professional. Don't try this on your own. Witness this stunning display of driving expertise. The operator is masterfully maneuvering the machine across rugged terrain with remarkable precision. It's a must-see for fans of heavy machinery or anyone who appreciates true professionals at work. Wow, take a look at this guy's chainsaw skills. He's like a lumberjack ninja. The way he handles that saw is nothing short of incredible. It takes real talent to make it look so effortless. You can clearly see his passion for what he does, and that's what makes it all the more impressive. No way. Look at that old tractor pulling a massive stump out of the ground, and it's like 5 feet deep. I never thought it could manage that, but here it is proving me wrong. The LKT-81 is a specialized forestry tractor, powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine that generates approximately 96.5 horsepower at 2200 RPM, ensuring efficient operation across various terrains. Truly, it's the perfect choice for professional logging operations, isn't it? If you're looking to enhance efficiency in your timber harvesting operations, consider the Valtra N154E Active, paired with the Nisula 325H harvester head. This powerful combination delivers exceptional performance with a 155 horsepower engine, capable of processing up to 3 tons of timber per hour. It excels in various conditions, ensuring superior productivity with ease. In the harsh cold of winter, this lumberjack, armed with a small yet powerful saw, boldly takes down massive trees. This is the nature of the job. It demands skill, perseverance, and courage to excel in such a profession. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer power of the Cat D6 RXL, equipped with a KG blade. Stumps are shattered into splinters, and the ground quakes under its massive tracks. It's a stunning display of both brute force and precision. Oh no, this vehicle is in big trouble. The mud pit is way too deep. Do you think it'll make it through? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.